चञ्चलं हि मनः कृष्ण प्रमाथि बलवदृढं तस्याहं निग्रहं मन्ये वायोरिव सुदुष्करम्. The mind is restless, turbulent, obstinate and very strong, O Krishna, and to subdue it I think is more difficult than controlling the wind. Shri Bhagavanuvacha असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येन च गृह्यते. Lord Sri Krishna said, O mighty armed Arjuna, it is undoubtedly very difficult to curb the restless mind, but it is possible by suitable practice and by detachment. These two are the very important shlokas. While Arjuna asks how to control the mind, and Krishna clarifies by saying, Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grihyate. Abhyasam is continuous, constant practice through detachment. That's the secret